Welcome to Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, Sacramento. This week, we're staying in a gold corner suite on the top floor. Let's go in and take a look. Super spacious living room. Nice little dining area. My good friend Tito's. Just look at the view outside. Plenty of space for your guests. The views go for miles and miles. There's only 4 corner suites in the whole hotel. This is the Gold Suite. Now let's get back into the room and have some delicious breakfast. Check out this luxurious bathroom. I went down to the rock shop and got a glass bottle full of rose petals to put into my bath. Now that's living in luxury. Spacious walk-in shower. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and click that bell so you're notified as soon as I release a new video. Click on the left if you want to see more suite tours. Click on the right if you want to see me go downstairs and gamble.